In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DeepSeek server is busy. If you're running into that message, don't worry. This usually means the service is handling more requests than usual or briefly resetting. I'll walk you through a simple, reliable routine to get you back on track. Start by opening DeepSeek AI. If you already have it open in a tab, bring that tab into focus so you can work from a clean slate. Sometimes a fresh session is all it takes to reconnect smoothly. Next, refresh the page in your browser. Click the reload button or use your keyboard shortcut to refresh. This sends a new request to the server and often clears a temporary hiccup. If you've been clicking repeatedly, pause for a moment. Rapid retries can actually keep you in the busy queue. Give it a few seconds, then try again. A short wait, think 10 to 20 seconds, can make a big difference because it lets the server finish processing other tasks and opens a slot for your request. Patience here prevents you from piling onto the queue. If the message persists, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and try loading another website to confirm things are working. If other pages are slow or failing, your connection may be the bottleneck. Moving closer to your router or temporarily switching networks can stabilize your request long enough for DeepSeek to respond. If your connection looks fine, log out and sign in again. Use the account menu to sign out, then return to the sign-in page and authenticate normally. This refreshes your session and clears minor account or token issues that sometimes trigger the busy notice. Once you're back in, try your action again. When traffic is unusually high, a little patience goes a long way. Wait for server traffic to reduce. Busy periods often occur during peak work hours or right after major announcements. Taking a short break allows the service to catch up and improves your odds of a quick response. Finally, try using the service again later. Come back after a bit. Often even 5 to 15 minutes can help. If you can, aim for off-peak times, such as early morning or later in the evening, when overall demand tends to be lower. Follow this flow. Open DeepSeek AI, refresh, wait briefly, verify your connection, log out and back in, give the servers time to breathe, and then try again later. With these steps, you'll usually move past the "server is busy" message and get back to your work without a hitch.